So I'll be bringing in an image from my gallery, and to do that you click on this plus icon. So this is the image I'll be using, and so let's get started. Now the first thing I'll do here is to turn the image, that is, I'll make it more attractive and I'll make the color pop out. So I increase the brightness, the contrast, increase the contrast, the saturation and the shadows. Don't increase the warmth a little bit. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. And so I'm going to change this image to black and white. So I'll choose the first one, the neutral. Okay, I think I'm okay with the first one, which is the neutral. And so I'm going to move on to the double exposure tool, where I'm going to bring back this image from my gallery. Okay, as you can see, the image is here, and so I'm going to increase the opacity to the highest level. And so I'll move on to the masking of the image. So I'm going to return back the image of this bird you are seeing back to the normal position. And so I'm going to increase the double exposure to 100, and then I'll start to shade. Yes, so I have returned the image of the bird back to the normal position. So I'm going to pop out the image, and to do that I'm going to use the selective tool. So I'll choose a place. Now let's start with this. Now this blue. Okay, I think it's okay like that. So I'm going to increase the brightness a little, the contrast. Now we move on to the saturation and then the structure. Okay, so I'll copy this edit, and then I'll paste it to other colors. Okay. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. So I think it's okay like this. So I'm going to save my edit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.